So today I am going to give the dogs a bath. They don't know it yet, but it's bath time. Ever taken a bath with 5 dogs? I'm sorry, I said 5 dogs. It's because it was 5 dogs, but now we have 4 dogs. Okay, so ever taken a bath with 4 dogs? Let's go take a bath. Time to give the dogs a bath, and they are not going to love it. Well, maybe they might like it, but hey, come on. Well, come on. Look at you guys. And go. And she's off. Okay. We survived. They're so excited. They love it. They love it. They just like run around after having a bath. Woo! Go, 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 go. Press subscribe for the Amber Vibe.